What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Palisade remote key fob. This Hyundai Palisade key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change this battery is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is the slot that key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and put just the very end of it. I'll probably only have about that much in there, what's on the other side of my fingers. Then what I'm going to do is pry up on this back cover. So I'm going to pry the key like this. And as you can see, it pops that back cover up. We can pull that off, and we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out of this holder. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide that into the holder. And then we'll snap this back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.